Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial, how to turn your simple photo into a luxury magazine cover in Photoshop. Ever wonder how high-end fashion cover looks so polished and glamorous? You can create the same effect right at home. No studio, no expensive camera, just photo magic. Open your portrait in photo and duplicate the background layer. Use the spot healing brush tool to clean up skin imperfection and smooth out tones. Next, apply a camera raw filter and adjust exposure. Go to the color lookup and apply cinematic color. Now create new text layer and type your magazine name in bold. Use blending option bevel and emboss to give text a glossy embossed effect. Add smaller heading like the